Fashion is having an embroidery moment, but buying things from the retail store can get a bit common. So today I'm going to show you how you can personalize your jeans by adding hand embroidery that's trendy and fun. Here's what you need to get started. Denim jeans, embroidery thread, needle, X-Acto knife, a marker, printout of a desired name or a phrase, a tape. I have printed out LOL with the heart and in block letters. Then cut out the lettering edges using an X-Acto knife. Lay out your denim flat on a surface. I'm going to be doing the embroidery at the back of my jeans in the bottom. Place your lettering where you want to and stick it using a tape so that it stays in place. Now just trace out the letter carefully. This is how it should look like. Then thread your needle using embroidery floss and then let's start embroidering. The embroidery technique that I'm going to show you is called a Saturn stitch, which is really simple. Start by bringing your needle up from behind your jeans on the right side along the pattern line. Reinsert your needle directly across the left side. You will be making stitches that span all the way across the shape. There you have your first stitch. For the next stitch, start from the right and insert your needle to the left. This is how it should look like. Continue this while following the outlines. This process is a little time consuming, perfect to stay occupied over the weekends. So get your jeans out and add a bit of glam. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.